आप स्विमिंग में लेग को स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए
रनिंग
चालू किए एंड वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बना लिया.
And she went into the third stage of the cancer, where doctors, when we detected finally it was blood cancer, and there's 50-50 chances.
50-50 chance of
Yes.
surviving. All the treatments जो आपने कराए, how did you manage with work, financial support, कैसे manage किए? How did you become the national champion? अभी आपका क्या बिगेस्ट ड्रीम है मेडल जीत?
अभी मेरे को ओलंपिक में जाने का ड्रीम है.
Touches the wall, pushing through the final stretch.
आपको याद है कि आपको पहला सर्टिफिकेट या चेक मिला था?
जब गोवा में खेली थी मैं फर्स्ट सिल्वर मेडल जीती थी.
मजेदार या सबसे यादगार कौन सा चीज था आपके लिए?
और जब अपना कंट्री के लिए वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाई थी मैं.
रुपया सेव करते हैं लोग नीड्स के लिए, एंड कुछ वांट होता है. नीड और वांट अलग अलग होता है.
वांट जो है इसका कोई लिमिट नहीं है, नीड का लिमिट है. जब आपके पास वांट आ जाएगा आप हैप्पी नहीं रहेंगे, आपको लाइफ में फंसाते रहेगा कि ये मिल गया तो वो मिलना चाहिए. वो आपको हैप्पीनेस से आउट कर देगा. इसका समझ लीजिए कोई बच्चा का एक पैर नहीं या दो पैर ही नहीं, उसको शेयर मार्केट सिखाओ ना. अगर स्पोर्ट्स नहीं है तो शेयर मार्केट सिखाओ. वो स्टडी करेगा, वो मैनेजमेंट करेगा, वो आगे बढ़ेगा, वो अपना लाइफ को सिक्योर करेगा.
Behind every successful world record holder, there is also a lovely father. Today was about life. Persevere. आप जीतेंगे जिंदगी से लड़के, सारे तकलीफों से लड़के. Sir and ma'am have raised a child, not afraid, who is winning, who is thriving, and who is succeeding. Some people win medals. Some people win in life. Today we are with someone who is actually winning in life. At 18 months, she was diagnosed with a life-threatening disease. At 5, she went into coma for 32 days. I can tell you as a parent, दिल में बहुत चुभता है when you hear this story. मेरा बेटा 10 साल का है and I see so many parents with young kids. It does not feel nice. What happens to the child? What happens to the family? It's a very, very tough thing. But we have over here someone जिसने not just survive किया है, but thrive किया है. She is a national silver medal para athlete. She's won in swimming. She's not only done that, she's won the world record in the World Athletics Championship in Australia. Please welcome Miss Ghosh. How are you doing, ma'am?
I am doing very nice.
I am doing very nice. Fantastic. I am pleased to have you and sir with us today. So, Tarunika ji, do you remember when you were young and sick? Do you remember how feeling scared?
No, I could not feel only.
आपको कभी डर लगा?
नहीं.
So, एक बात बताइए, आपने स्पोर्ट्स कब चालू किया?
स्पोर्ट्स 15 years old से चालू की हूँ.
15 years old से चालू करी हूँ.
हाँ, भैया को देखी थी मैं. भैया स्विमिंग करते थे. हाँ, तो मैं भैया को देख के सीखी हूँ.
So, आपने पहले स्विमिंग चालू किया?
हाँ, पहले स्विमिंग.
वाओ. So, अकेले स्विमिंग करने में आपको डर नहीं लगा?
थोड़ा डर लगा, फिर उसके बाद प्रैक्टिस करते करते हो गया.
प्रैक्टिस करते करते हो गया.
हाँ.
भैया पापा मम्मी ने बहुत हेल्प किया
हाँ,
होगा.
भैया पापा मम्मी ने.
Then you started running and walking as well.
Yes.
So बताइए कैसी रही आपकी जर्नी? How did you become the national champion in swimming?
First I started learning swimming.
हाँ.
Then first I won gold medal in state meet.
State meet में गोल्ड मेडल जीते.
हाँ.
Wow.
Then I got selected for national in Goa.
हाँ.
Then over there I won silver.
हाँ.
Again next year my state meet happened.
हाँ.
Then I went to Hyderabad.
हाँ.
Then over there I won gold medal.
It's amazing. I'm literally having goosebumps just hearing it. Tell me about Australia. वहाँ कैसे गए? How did you start swimming से running में कैसे आए, walking में कैसे आए?
मैं रनिंग सीखी हूँ ताकि मेरा लेग स्ट्रॉन्ग बने.
So आप स्विमिंग में लेग को स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए
रनिंग
चालू किए एंड करते करते गोल्ड मेडल जीत गए एंड वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बना लिया.
हाँ, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में ब्रिस्बेन में.
So how was the feeling when you मालूम पड़ा कि आपने वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिया है?
मैं बहुत हैप्पी थी और खुश थी एकदम.
तो आप किस किस को थैंक यू बोले उसमें?
उसमें मैं अपना मम्मी पापा सबको थैंक यू बोला.
आपको कभी जब स्विमिंग करते हैं या रेस में पार्ट लेते हैं तो कभी टायर्ड नहीं होते आप?
हाँ, हो जाती हूँ टायर्ड, लेकिन मैं किसी को दिखाती नहीं हूँ.
किसी को दिखाते नहीं. और प्रैक्टिस में जब कोच बोलता है एक और प्रैक्टिस, एक और प्रैक्टिस, एक और प्रैक्टिस,
हो जाती हूँ. पानी में क्राई करना शुरू कर देती हूँ. हाँ, लेकिन किसी को दिखाती नहीं हूँ मैं।
किसी को दिखाती नहीं।
हाँ।
सो आप क्या बोलते हैं अपने आप को कि करते रहना,
हाँ,
करते रहना?
करते रहना। मैं बोलती हूँ खुद को, करते रहना है एकदम।
दिस इज समथिंग हम लोग को सब सीखना चाहिए। हमारी जिंदगी में हमें लगता है कि हमें इजी मिला है, बट वी ऑल हैव टू लर्न फ्रॉम यू। हमें भी करते रहना पड़ेगा। अभी आपका क्या बिगेस्ट ड्रीम है मेडल जीत?
अभी मेरे को ओलंपिक में जाने का ड्रीम है और एशियन मीट में गोल्ड मेडल जीतने का।
वाओ, फैंटास्टिक। वी आर ऑल विथ यू। हम सारे भारतीय, सारे देशवासी सब आपके संग है, एंड आई एम श्योर आप एशियाड में, ओलंपिक्स में, दोनों में हमें मेडल जिताएंगे, पक्का से गोल्ड मेडल जिताएंगे। कैन यू टेल समथिंग मम्मी पापा के बारे में, हाउ दे हैव इंस्पायर्ड यू?
My mother and father, they help me a lot. Daily, morning, evening, they help me. Every time they help me. They are my future of life.
See, you are actually now a role model. People, सारे बच्चे आपको देख के कुछ सीखना चाहते हैं। अगर कोई बच्चा या बच्ची डिसेबिलिटी के संग है, जिसकी लाइफ में कुछ 19-20 भी है, आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं उनको कि वो आपको सुन के इंस्पायर हो जाए?
जो लोग डिसेबिलिटी है वो लोग भी सक्सेस कर पाएंगे। There is no limit in success. If they are punctual, disciplined, and if they have dedication, everyone should do hard work with discipline and dedication.
So inspired. आप एक बात बताइए, कैसे मेहनत करते हैं? आपको कैसे डिसिप्लिन में रहते हैं आप? हाउ हम लोग, चलिए जो डिसेबिलिटी नहीं भी, हम लोग नॉर्मल लोग भी, हम लोग भी इतने डिसिप्लिन नहीं हो सकते हैं आपके जैसे। हम लोग कैसे हुए? आपको तो इतना प्रॉब्लम्स है, इतने इश्यूज होते हैं, फिर भी आप डिसिप्लिन में रहते हो, खाने में डिसिप्लिन रखते हो। कैसे करते हो? हम लोग कैसे करें?
मैं अपने आप को करती हूँ, जो मुझे डिसिप्लिन रहना ही है। मैं स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन हूँ, मुझे डिसिप्लिन रहना है। मैं अपने आप को करेज करती हूँ।
तो आपको कभी ये मीठा खाने का या ये सब जंक फूड खाने का मन नहीं करता है?
करता है, लेकिन मैं अपने आप को स्टॉप करती हूँ ये सबसे।
क्यों, ये सब अच्छा नहीं लगता है?
ना, बिल्कुल नहीं।
बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता है?
ना।
नॉट मेंट फॉर एथलीट्स।
No.
हम आपसे खाली यंग बच्चों के लिए नहीं पूछना चाहते, हम आपसे ये भी पूछना चाहते हैं, हम बड़े लोग जिंदगी में सक्सेसफुल होना चाहते हैं। हम एथलीट्स ओलंपिक्स में पार्ट नहीं ले रहे हैं, हम एशियन गेम्स में पार्ट नहीं ले रहे, हम नेशनल गेम्स में पार्ट नहीं ले रहे। हम क्या करें, नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, नॉर्मल लोग, कि कुछ आपकी तरह सक्सेस पा सके?
सक्सेस पाने के लिए हार्ड वर्क तो करना पड़ेगा। उसके लिए डिसिप्लिन, पंक्चुअलिटी रखना पड़ेगा और डेडिकेशन रहना पड़ेगा।
अब एक बात बताइए, आप पैसा, बिकॉज मैं प्रोफेशनली पैसा संभालता हूँ, तो आपको इतना सारा अवार्ड मिलता है, आप क्या करते हैं अपने पैसे का?
मैं अपना अकाउंट में सेव करके रखती हूँ।
आपको याद है कि आपको पहला सर्टिफिकेट या चेक मिला था, प्राइज मनी मिला था, आपको याद है?
हाँ, जब मैं ग्वालियर में खेली थी,
जब
गोवा में खेली थी, मैं फर्स्ट
हाँ।
सिल्वर मेडल जीती थी।
तो उसमें आपको प्राइज मनी मिला था?
हाँ।
वाओ। आप क्या किए उसका? कहीं एंजॉय किए, कुछ किए?
नहीं,
इन्वेस्ट कर दिए?
हाँ, और उसको मैं सेविंग्स में रख दी।
सेविंग्स में रख। एक बात बताइए, इतना सारा पैसा मिला है, इतने सारे अप्रिसिएशन मिला है, सब कुछ मिला है आपको, सबसे मजेदार या सबसे यादगार कौन सा चीज था आपके लिए?
जब मैं मेडल जीती थी अपना कंट्री के लिए।
कौन सा वाला?
अपना स्टेट के लिए।
स्टेट के लिए?
हाँ।
यस।
और जब अपना कंट्री के लिए वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाई थी मैं।
आप सेलिब्रेट कैसे करते हैं? कोई पार्टी करते हैं, कहीं एंजॉय करते हैं, कोई गेम्स खेलते हैं?
नहीं।
सक्सेस कैसा लगता है जब आप जीत गए, जब आप वर्ल्ड मेडल जीत गए, जब आप स्टेट मेडल जीते, क्या करते हैं फिर एंजॉय करने के लिए?
अपना कोच लोगों को बताती हूँ कि मैं ये जीती हूँ, हाँ मैं ये की हूँ, फिर कोच लोग भी हैप्पी होते हैं। और जब कोच अवार्ड सेरेमनी रहता है, मैं कोच लोगों को बुलाती हूँ अपना, और जिनके साथ मैं प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ उन लोगों को भी बुलाती हूँ।
दैट इज हैप्पीनेस फॉर यू। वैसे आप सेलिब्रेट करते हैं?
हाँ, और अपना फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी कभी कभी मीट करती हूँ।
फ्रेंड्स? आपके फ्रेंड्स कितने फ्रेंड्स हैं?
4 फ्रेंड्स हैं।
4 फ्रेंड्स हैं। वाह। तरुणिका जी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर
Thank you so much
for being over here. We loved having a conversation with you. So Sanjeev ji is Tarunika ji's father and the main person behind the driving force. He was the one जिन्होंने उन्हें सारे इवेंट्स पे लेके गए, and I can tell you, behind every successful man there is a woman. Behind every successful world record holder there is also a lovely father. So welcome.
Thank you, Mohit ji.
So can you tell us about Tarunika's illness and when she was born?
Tarunika, when she was born, I first thank my better half, my wife, that I had a very strong better half. I had a very strong wife and a mother who supported me and who never broke down, who thought that duty was first and then any compassion or any sort of emotion. So she was very strong in that, performing her duty and supporting Tarunika in all the medical journey which she had in her illness, and near to death she came back to us, and we had lost hope sometime at that 32 day in the coma when she was. So we really had a bad time, and but I feel that God is still great, that is there to take care of everyone in this life.
एकदम एकदम भगवान सबके साथ में है.
Right, sir. So I feel that my journey was maybe a lot of struggles I had, but lot of challenges also we had. And you know, when you don't have challenges, when you don't have struggle, your life is not beautiful because you don't know the real part of the life. You know, you cannot know what is enjoyment, what is happiness. Because you have to have problems, sorrows, then only you can differentiate between.
Wow. When did you get to know about her illness first?
See, this was in 2005 when she was 18 months old. She was getting quite often sick, and then she slowly started becoming more serious. And then we showed to many doctors. They diagnosed her wrongly, and she went into the third stage of the cancer, you know. And where doctors, when we detected finally it was blood cancer, then when we took her to Mumbai, doctor said that you have damaged the child and brought her to us. So now the treatment is longer and there's 50-50 chances.
50-50 chance of
Yes,
surviving.
Yes. So we'll try our best. We don't know. But if the detection was proper, right, then this disease could have been cured in 1.5 years and in a proper manner. So we said, okay, doctor.
दिल तो टूट ही गया होगा.
We thought that, doctor, we have to give a try. What to do? We are parents. You are the God now. You will cure her. So then the journey started.
आपने एकदम सरेंडर कर दिया.
हाँ, सरेंडर कर दिया मेडिकल साइंस के ऊपर, डॉक्टर्स के ऊपर. और फिर यू नो हॉस्पिटल में इसने 2-3 बर्थडेज भी सेलिब्रेट किया. हॉस्पिटल बेड में केक काटा है इन्होंने. When she was small, you know, I don't know she remembers or not. Obviously she won't be remembering. And her mother was always there beside her for these 4-5 years. She was like, you know, in a hospital prison like that, you know, with her, taking care of her chemos were on, and we had so many things, ups and downs, you know. One sudden night I woke up early in the morning in that hospital, you know. Tata is like a NGO type hospital, you know. It's not like that 5-star hospital like Apollo or something that the hot water will come to your bed or the hot milk will come. You have to get it collected. So I went from my room, I woke up, my wife woke me up that she was sleeping in a cot. And I was sleeping in the sofa and she was on that bed there with her. So we were tired entire day. So at early morning at 4 o'clock I woke up. I took the flask and I was walking out of the room. Something struck me. I said that why there is some nurse has changed her bedsheet or what? I came back, I saw the bedsheet was maroon red in color and it was a white bedsheet. Hospitals normally it was maroon in color. I thought that pipe which was there for which was
blood transfusion.
That pipe had opened and her blood was coming out from that needle. So she was bleeding. So again, you know, that my heart fell. I just had, you know, slump. Immediately started calling all the nurse. Her mother woke up. Everyone came. There was a mayhem in the hospital. All corridor, all the doctors started coming. You know, they obviously feel bad, you know, when this happens. Then there they learnt a story also that small children, when they put in IV line, it should be properly handled. It should be properly, because in sleep they may pull, they may scratch, they may do anything, and parents may also doze off, you know. So then that was one journey. Then again we became careful. Entire night she used to be awake because she will not take a chance. I would take a chance. I used to doze off because I had job, I had work, everything. So she never slept in the night. She always was awake till that time, because that time making her survive was a challenge. Then came the biggest challenge in 2008 when she went into coma.
So क्या हुआ? Suddenly she went into coma?
See what happened when they start a chemo cycle. They puncture your lumbar with a medicine called methotrexate.
Okay.
And they put it in the lumbar, so spinal cord, and then that needle had bacteria. The needle had virus and the virus traveled to the brain, and she had a brain seizure. So it was like a partial brain dead. So when this brain dead happened, I was in Kolkata. I just left her 2 days back in Mumbai. I just saw them off, did all the file paperwork. I was in Kolkata. That was, I think so, 5th of November.
Why fresh needle में क्यों bacteria जाता है?
See, needle handling, एक patient से एक patient, because there is so much crowd in the Tata hospital, you know, that was only one of the major leading cancer places for treatment. So they changed, you know, maybe some infection, you know, virus can come from anywhere. How much you are protected. It happens in an operation theatre also, you know. It's like an operation theatre only. There the virus went. And then I was in Kolkata. My wife called me and she said, her mother said that you have to come, otherwise you will not see your daughter. Immediately, she is being taken to the ICU. Because her head has gone back, her eyes have also turned back. So we cannot see her retina, nothing. So she was taken to the ICU and I went to the airport to catch the flight. And that day was, I think so, 5th November, most probably. 2nd November was my son's birthday. He missed his birthday also. And 5th November, I was in the airport, and that day, Praful Patel's daughter was getting married to Utsav Parekh's son in Kolkata. So all the flights were booked to Mumbai. Chartered, every who is who of Kolkata was traveling. Not a single seat in any flight. And in 2008, the flights which had tickets, they did not have tickets, but they sold tickets for 40,000 that day. And at 5 o'clock I was in the airport, but no chance. Then there was one person at night, 11 o'clock, I kept on calling him. He responded me at 11:30 in the night. That is Captain Sarvesh Gupta of Jet Airways. He was a buddy of mine, friend. So he told me, क्या हुआ संजीव तेरे को? I said, बॉस हेल्प करना मेरे को यार, मुंबई जाना है, बेटी बहुत सीरियस है, मैं सारा रात रो रहा हूँ, पहुँच नहीं पाया हूँ, मेरा वाइफ और बेटी अकेला है मुंबई में, उसका हालत बहुत सीरियस है, मेरे को पहुँचना है. तो मैं रोते रोते उसको बोला, बोला रुक मैं करता हूँ, कुछ करता हूँ यार, जस्ट गिव मी हाफ एन आवर. कॉल्स मी बैक एट अबाउट 12:30. ही टेल्स मी, तुम सुबह 4 बजे 3 बजे ही पहुँच जाओ एयरपोर्ट, और एक टिकट, आगे काउंटर्स बाहर में होते थे ओल्ड एयरपोर्ट का, तो बोला टिकट काट लो, वो वेट लिस्ट हो जो भी हो, बाई अ टिकट, बाकी मैं देखता हूँ. फ्रांसिस बोल के एक लड़का है, आई हैव टोल्ड हिम, यू जस्ट हैंड हिम ओवर द टिकट, ही विल टेक केयर, देयर फ्लाइट इज फुल. जैसा हुआ था वैसे आई कॉल्ड हिम, बॉट द टिकट, गिव हिम एट अबाउट 4 o'clock. आई गिव हिम द टिकट. 5 या 5:30 में फर्स्ट फ्लाइट जेट एयरवेज का था फ्रॉम कोलकाता टू मुंबई दैट टाइम. एट अबाउट 5:10, 20 minutes or 15 minutes before the flight takeoff, that person comes running to me with a boarding pass, says, this is your boarding pass, you run, the flight door will close. So I started running. There was a single escalator, you know, at old airport had, and I saw the Jet Airways counter being broken. 4-5 people are fighting and dashing, because right half an hour, as per the airline guidelines, they closed the counter. So those people who were no-shows, that seat I came. That is how the Jet Airways Sarvesh managed me into the flight. And I was 1A was my ticket. And he told, don't look back, just run. Whatever let happen, we'll manage. You go, take the flight. I was the last person to enter the flight, sat on the first seat and reached Mumbai. And by the time she was in the ICU. So there, you know, when I was not getting the ticket, like I was feeling that I should end my life. That feeling came, you know, because I was so helpless as a father. Because my wife was alone, she was crying and she was in the ICU. So you need those support, you know, and Mumbai being such a big city, no one there. I reached there somehow. Then 32 days, how it passed, we don't know. She
32 days she was in coma.
And she was on fasting, on and off. And she was praying, she was fasting. Maybe one meal she was having. Her mother, she was not having sometimes. So we were all sitting, she used to sit. And the hospital allowed us with a stool to sit beside her bed. Because she had a water bed, you know. Because bed sore hone ka chance hota. So she had a water bed. And one day at night about 12:30, she tells me, calls my room, tells me that your daughter has opened one eye, but retina is not visible. White, that portion of the eye is visible. She has opened her eyes. And we go running, and I go running there, and we are the happiest person in the world. So the doctors also, in this 32 journey, we have seen many things. All her nerves getting dried. No intravenous could work. Then they had to do a arrow, metal tip arrow guided one channel they had to make through her neck to the heart. So from there the antibiotics were given. Then finally she came out of the coma. Her treatment was there for another 1 month in the hospital. Then doctors said that there is no chance for her. We cannot guarantee. She may survive, she may not. She has a brother. Let her go and play with her brother, enjoy her life. How many days she is there, we don't know. So she was like a vegetative state. She was just looking like a ghost, you know. All body dark, everything black. She was totally, and she was not recognizing us as a parents. That I used to tell Baba, Amma, no response, blank look, no hunger, nothing. If we make her sit in the bed for hours, she used to sit. Wherever we put her, she used to be like just a living stone, like a living stone. So that stone type look was there in her eyes, you know. It was absolutely shocking to us. Then slowly I told my wife that let us do some treatment, our treatment. Let us do some hydrotherapy. Then what she said, what is hydrotherapy? I said in Mayo Clinic book, I've read something like that. So she had so much of chemo, so much of this thing, antibiotics. So let us start with juices, water, lot of fluid. Let us go on. Let the kidney be little better kidney, or the kidney may have a pressure, but still she has got a young kidney. So let us use it and let us wash out all the bad elements in her body. And slowly she recovered. Slowly she was catching and walking. Slowly. It took 2-3 years her to recover. And that time she was 5 years old. So when we went to Mumbai again, doctor asked her that what is your problem? What are the child? How is she developing? Then we said that I think so she has some vision problem. Most probably she's not watching TV. We ask something, she just taps and gives. Then we have to go for a VP test. So we rush to Hinduja Hospital. There the VP test is done, and it shows that she has got severe disturbance in the optic nerve pathway. Because as a normal eye doctor cannot check her because her retina was fine. It was back of the eye. The brain, the nerves were damaged. So then it prompted us for an MRI. And when we went for the MRI showed us that she has got 5 places in the brain, the CSF fluid locked. So it's still locked there. Last year also we did the MRI, it's still there, same position. So the CSF fluid is locked. Now the disease is called as arrested hydrocephalus. And that time our journey again started for this trip. So we went to Chennai, we went to Vellore, we went to Mumbai, Delhi. 50% of doctors said, operate her, she will not survive more than 2 days, some doctors said. And then after that, some doctors said that no, don't operate. Then finally we got confused. We went all through India, all the best doctors, neurologists, neurosurgeons, everywhere we went. Then we went to Mumbai and told, this is your child. You have made her survive. You have damaged her. You all decide what. Then he told, close your eyes, go to a hospital where there will be a lot of cows moving around, cats moving around, dogs also. Don't look at them, but look at the doctor. And there one doctor we went and met. He was the professor in neurosurgery, Dr. Dattare Majumdar.
Which hospital?
KEM, Mumbai Municipality Hospital. And we went to the doctor, and the doctor got his entire team of trainee doctors. All those house doctors, all they came training, and he put all the plates in his chamber and asked everyone that who can answer this. One girl, was it like a tomboy? She came up and told, I want to see the patient. I've seen the plates, I want to see the patient. Where is the patient? Said, she's standing in front of. She told she doesn't need operation. The doctor told Mr. Ghosh, don't allow any doctor, any knife to touch her. If touches, I'll kill you. Because already what has happened in the brain, it is irreversible. It's damaged. Only they want to take money from you and make her more vegetative. So whatever loss has happened, like the milk got spilled from the glass, you cannot get it back to the glass. He explained me these words. I have to just go home, take care of her bundle of nerves, that is the fundus. Pressure doesn't build. If pressure builds, then we'll operate her. We will take the chance. That is the last method. But now whatever is there, let us manage. So you know something about management, so manage her. And that day my wife and we started doing the management. That is making her ready for her life. Training her how to bathe, how to eat, how to tell she's hungry, because she never used to tell what she's hungry. Then we came to know that she's 80% already blind. She's lost her peripheral vision.
She's 80% blind.
Yes, she's got tunnel vision. And plus, her intellectual growth is 50%. She's now 21 years plus. Now she's got a brain of a 11 to 12 year old. That's why she's talking in a little kiddish manner, you see. So, and her height also, growth also got stunted. Then, we were never thought of sports, we never thought of that, because this is a medically challenged child. What to do, what we'll do. But we had a sportsman in the house, my son. He was always swimming. He was always getting prizes, medals in school. In swimming, he was achieving. And then cricket also, he was very passionate. So he used to take her in his back and hold her and swim in the pool, because he was an ace swimmer. So he used to take her around, swim and all. And then what happened? My wife also was a very good swimmer. She's also still, and she also started swimming. Her fears broke. See, the person who could not get down the stairs, who used to never get down from the bed, who never went with friends outside, feeling that if she falls in an unknown place, then she will feel little, embarrassed. She will make, so that's why she used to never go to any parties, any birthdays, any mall. She was not interested, because her house was her area where she knows that what is where.
Comfort zone mein sabse.
Yes, where is down, where is up. But then the water gave her comfort, because water has no level.
Yes.
If you are 30 feet down or 10 feet deep, because if you know to swim, you are in the same level.
Yes.
You're floating. So when you're floating, you don't have any levels in the swimming pool.
Yes.
So that is the place where she found her palace. And her brother gave her this. And then she started swimming. We thought that, okay, fine, she'll do. One day her coach told that, if you don't mind, madam, some para competition is happening. He did not want to name her as a para, So because he was feeling shy. So he told, Hora, let us give a try. Let her take her, because she's learned good swimming. Then mother told, why not? Yes, we can. And the first year she went into para swimming in Sai, and she won her gold.
I see a lot of things जो मुझे आपसे बात करना है. But first, how did you manage, as a parent, this long journey of the illness part, and you never gave up hope? आप लगे रहे. कभी-कभी आदमी frustrate हो जाता होगा, कभी-कभी painful होता होगा. But you were there throughout, and you and ma'am were there throughout. How did this?
This happened because of Tarunika only. Because she had some power in her, God took something from her childhood, took away her childhood, took away her vision, took away her normal as a child, but gave her some power that where she attracts, her discipline is infectious, her way of leading life, her way of, denying to bad things, and adopting good things. This made us, re-switch ourselves. That we changed ourselves. We changed our habits in the house. We changed our food habits. We changed our living habits. We changed everything for her. And this is how, this was a challenge. And one thing is that, that power comes in from that person only. Because she gave us the power. My wife sometimes told, all the children, they are so happy. Our neighbors, they are the children growing up, they are doing this. What will happen to our daughter? I said, see, there is a mission of that person. That Almighty who has sent her.
Yes.
And he has not sent to an ordinary house.
Yes.
Remember that he has sent to some people who can serve her.
Yes.
So we have been chosen to serve her. So
Superb.
let us do our duty, and this is our service, because he is testing us also, so that we should not break down, you should not break down. Let others don't compare, because others may not bother about her. Many friends, they don't take her to any parties. They tell her that we'll take you, and they go away. So this is the way she learned herself also the hard process of life. In that, challenge came to her. One day I will do something. I know those people who never talked to her, who never thought that she was not part of the
Now they
entertainment. Now they went to the airport to receive her with garlands. When she came from Australia, when she came from Goa, when she came from Hyderabad. So they all went to the airport, they danced with her, they received her. So now they came with Cadbury's chocolate, this, that into the house to meet her. They see this is the turn of story. Because again I'm telling you, discipline, determination, that is, and discipline was always there with my wife, her mother. Because a mother is the guide, biggest guide, not a father, because I'm in office, I'm working, I'm traveling. So she was always there. So she taught her discipline, where sometimes, I felt also bad that why she was so harsh with her, because she has so many difficulties. But she was strong enough. She said, no, she has to learn in life.
Because
Because if she has to survive.
बहुत important है, because
We cannot pamper her. That's why she said that, that no one pampers me. She said that, don't pamper her, let her do her work.
क्योंकि जिंदगी में एज पेरेंट्स फॉरगेट अबाउट डिसेबिलिटी है नहीं है, हम हमारे बच्चों को बहुत पैम्पर करने की कोशिश करते हैं,
Right.
ताकि जिंदगी भर की सारी खुशियां देने की कोशिश करते हैं, बट दुनिया से लड़ पाना, जीत पाना सिखाते नहीं.
Yes. And उससे क्या हो गया कि she day by day she started becoming stronger and stronger, and she learned her traits, mother's traits also. That cleanliness, hygiene habits, then this timely to sleep, timely to have food, and this she became like a mirror image of her, and then she became that, and now she's become the double mirror now. And anywhere you look at,
She's now the shining beacon.
Yeah, she's the beacon now, and even her mother tells sometime, आज नहीं जाना है, छोड़ो, आज थोड़ा वेदर खराब है, बारिश होगा शायद लग रहा है, आज नहीं जाते हैं कोचिंग में, सुबह को ठंडा भी है, बहुत चिल्ड है, स्विमिंग पूल में इतना चिल्ड, ठंडा में इतना ठंडा पानी में, आज थोड़ा रेस्ट लेते हैं. नो, आई हैव टू गो. जाएगा, मेरे को उठाएगी, बोलेगी वो नहीं जाएगी तो तुम चलो.
Wow.
मैं बोला यार मेरा थोड़ा मीटिंग है, बोला नहीं कुछ नहीं, मीटिंग में चलो. देन शी कॉल्स अप द कोच दैट दिस टू पीपल आर नॉट गोइंग, व्हाट विल आई डू. कोच बोलता है ठीक है देख लो, थोड़ा मैनेज कर लो. बोलते नहीं हमको जाना है. तो फिर क्या होता है, अगर वो मिस भी हो गया तो 10 बजे वो रख लेगी, जिम में कोच को बुला लेगी या कहीं पर बुला लेगी, कुछ करेगी, कुछ करना है, मेरे को नहीं बैठना है खाली घर.
Superb.
So she has that, she has that, and she has built that inside. From inside it is coming. No one has to tell her now. So now only what we need is the best coach who has to guide her, to take her to that
I'll just
level.
come back on this part. मेरे को एक बात बताइए, मम्मी पापा, माँ बाप तो दुनिया में काम करते ही करते हैं, बट हम लोग बाकी के परिवार वालों को नहीं देखते. तो अदर देन द मदर एंड फादर, आप लोग दोनों को छोड़ के और कितने लोगों ने हेल्प किया या सैक्रिफाइस किया?
सैक्रिफाइस जो है सबसे बिगेस्ट सैक्रिफाइस देन अस, हम बोलेंगे एक ही सजन हमारे फैमिली में है, that is my son. My son, who is just 5 to 5.5 years or 6 years older to her, he sacrificed his life. We sacrificed him, his development, his attention, his growth, his passion for playing cricket, his passion for swimming, his sports and extra activities, his higher education. We never thought of it. Our focus totally different, and he was without focus, and he was just a loner. Till now today he is a loner, but we try to balance that as a parent, We are trying to, we feel that. Because from 5 years age, he never slept with his parent. Because she was there between us, because she will get sick in the night. She will have some problem, something or the other. But my wife was very balanced. She used to always tell me, बेटा के साथ जाकर थोड़ा सो लो, आज रात को बेटा के पास सो, उसको लेकर थोड़ा मूवी में जाओ, उसको लेकर तुम लोग दोनों घूम के आओ, थोड़ा देख के आओ. सो मदर का रहता है ना, सब बच्चा ही तो एक है मदर. तो हम काम करते हैं, हम भूल जाते हैं, हम जॉब में रहते हैं, इधर रहते हैं. वो भी बेटा है, वो भी मस्त मौला है, वो भी किसी का छत पे चढ़ गया, कहीं पानी का टंकी वो चढ़ गया, कहीं बदमाशी कर लिया, 2-4 लापा भी खा लिया, कुछ मारपीट भी कर लिया, वो भी है, वो अपने मन मौला था. लेकिन he sacrificed many things. He sacrificed his toys even to save that money for a trip. There were practical incidences when he went to a shop, toy shop behind Tata Memorial Hospital, where he touched a car and left it. He was seeing the car up down, he was seeing like this, and I was paying for some biscuits or something I was paying in that stationery shop. He touched the car, he kept. I said, "Do you want to take the car?" You take. No. Sister का treatment में लगेगा ना पैसा, उसीलिए no, I'll take later on. So that time he was 6-7 years old, he sacrificed that. Imagine a 7-year-old boy sacrificing a car, he's sacrificing his life. So his all credit goes to his brother also, her brother, because the brother's sacrifice is untold.
एक्चुअली बिकॉज क्या होता है, हम देखा है माँ बाप जो करते हैं, खुद जो करते हैं वो तो है ही है, बट बाकी के परिवार के वाले भी जो बहुत एफर्ट डालते हैं उसको हम लोग कुछ बोलते नहीं है.
और कुछ आदमी जो है ना बहुत इंट्रोवर्ट, माय सन इज अ वेरी इंट्रोवर्ट पर्सन, ही डजंट स्पीक आउट. वो देखिए वो हायर स्टडीज के लिए बाहर जा सकता था, मेरे पास कैपेबिलिटी था, यूएस भी जा सकता था, नौकरी ले सकता था, लेकिन ही वांटेड टू स्टे बैक होम, ही इज होम सिक बिकॉज ही फील्स दैट नाउ ही वांट्स हिज पेरेंट्स विथ हिम and his sister and to take care of her all through her life. And he is also very much conscious now. हम लोग कभी शादी का बात करते हैं तो बोलता है आई डोंट नो कौन आएगा, इसको देखेगा कि नहीं, मेरे साथ एडजस्ट करेगा कि नहीं, हम तो भगा देगा मार, वो मेरे साथ ही रहेगी. तो this is how his approach is, you know. So his sacrifice has to be also told.
Now when you see the world championship, the medals, how does it feel, you know?
See, yes, it feels that we have tried to serve, we have achieved in serving the God's child. We have thought that yes, we should now, our happiness is now that we want to become an inspiration for others. I don't want people to sit at home and cry that I don't have a leg, I don't have a hand, I am blind, I don't have an eye, I cannot run, I cannot walk. You should not have this, because get inspired, wake up. You still, if a kid is there at home, I want to inspire all those parents that take up this challenge. Your kid has all that, because those children with a Down syndrome, autism, those children are superb children, they are God's children, they are clean hearted, they are not polluted, they are focused, because these type of children are highly focused, you know, they are highly focused. If you take them, if you train them, they are the most obedient person, because they know that they have problems, they are compromised, they know. So their compromise is not the what you will tell that they want to overcome that situation. So give them a chance, and I will tell all the parents that please try with your child, don't cry for your child.
Try with your child, don't cry for your child. So the cancer treatment, and again all the treatments जो आपने कराए, इतने सारे डॉक्टर्स के पास गए, इतने सारे हॉस्पिटल्स गए, how did you manage with work? Because हम भी काम करते हैं, हमारे साथ भी लोग काम करते हैं, कोई भी जन जो काम करता है 1 महीना देख लेगा, 2 महीना देख लेगा, बट इतना लंबा जर्नी देख पाना एंड फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट कैसे मैनेज किए? आई एम श्योर आप अंबानी के बेटे तो नहीं हो.
नॉट एट ऑल, मैं तो सेल्फ मेड हूँ, नौकरी करता हूँ, एंड दैट टू इन अ प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो माय डायरेक्टर्स, दे वर जेम ऑफ ए पर्सन. वन मिस्टर पीयूष भगत, मनोज भगत, कमल गांधी, पवन धूत, एंड मेनी अदर, मिस्टर मेहता एंड all of those people, they were that time God sent, and this job was God sent to me. And so they supported me like anything, traveling to Mumbai, coming back, you know, and her medical expenses they supported. And there was another fairy in our life, and that is Preeti Doshi ma'am. She had a small school, play school in primary colors in Silver Spring, and there she used to teach small children, toddlers, you know, play school. And entire day Tarunika used to be on her lap, and from there Tarunika started her schooling, because she never wanted to go to a school because she could not see, she could not do anything. And so she used to be always with her, trying to put beads in the threads, you know, trying all those experiments, playing harmonium, this, that, you know. So she did a wonderful job, you know. And after 1 year, when she went to the school, after 1 year, she gave us a book, you know. And that book had about more than 300 pages, and that book had been our handwriting every day what Tarunika did. Today Tarunika came sad, today Tarunika was happy, today Tarunika did not want to have food, she was throwing tantrums, she was doing this, she was telling that ma bokeche, baba ye koreche, dada ye koreche. So she used to write all those, you know, and then she gave us that, gifted us those books. She used to painstakingly write, you know. This is also, she's also a champion. She also did a small part in her journey. Yes. That small part was a very important and vital part.
Absolutely.
So bringing her to the main forum, to the school, you know, make her play with the kids and everyone.
I think हर एक जन का support चाहिए होता है, not just financial support but mental support, education support, बहुत सारा support चाहिए होता है.
Yes, in a journey you see, you know,
God's child है तो सब लोग करेंगे support.
Yes, automatically people are supporting, and we thank God that everyone at the right time came with us.
Any insurance support, government support?
No, there was no insurance because cancer was not taken that time. Cancer was not in any insurance. We had a family insurance, but cancer as a disease was not in the insurance during that time.
Government aid?
No government, zero government aid. There was zero government aid. Government did not have cancer treatment hospitals at all. There was one Thakurpur hospital which was there, but people said that you take her in this condition, condition she will not survive. Because cancer is a disease where the hospital has to be super hygiene, because you lose immunity, your immunity goes so down with the chemos, so any outside infection can catch you. That's why you see cancer patients have a mask on their face always, because their immunity is down, after zero में आ जाता है immunity, because your body का जो internal fighting capacity वो चले जाता है. So अगर body काम नहीं करेगा तो antibiotics भी काम नहीं करेगा. And मैंने देखा है, बहुत सारा हॉस्पिटल में गया है, पेशेंट ठीक है, परफॉर्म कर रहा है, कैंसर क्योर, इम्यूनिटी डाउन है, हार्ट इन्फेक्टेड हो गया, लंग्स इन्फेक्टेड हो गया,
कुछ काम में नहीं आया.
नहीं, कुछ. There is no hospital that time 2004-5 में, there was no hospital which was able to give this treatment. I don't know, maybe that time Vellore was there or not, but Tata Cancer Hospital Mumbai was doing a great job. It was overpacked, people were sleeping on the corridors here, there. Mumbai itself had so much population, and we also from Bengal and all these places, even from Africa people were there. So ये जो Asian continent से, Africa से भी people are coming to Tata, because Tata was little cheaper, because cancer medicines that time were very costly. Cancer treatment was the most expensive treatment. So that time Tata helped us a lot also. But again, that crowd, that population in the hospital, you get infected.
So आप कैसे manage किए फिर employer आपकी जो support से?
See, my directors were standing strong. One gentleman, Mr. Piyush Bhagat, he traveled to Mumbai to take a call, my director, that should we operate her after this 32-day episode or should we not? He said already from her childhood she was a vegetative state, Sanjeev. Don't put her further into vegetative state. Whatever God wants, he has done. Now let us do our part. Try to help her, support her. He is there. She will come up live. And his words.
आपका भी attention काफी जाता होगा family का treatment के लिए, तरुणिका का. आप काफी travel करते थे. So forget about the medical support, but as mentoring and guiding you and making sure कि backup options रहे जब आप mentally Calcutta में नहीं हो, that was also very important.
See, that time I lost all my savings. I told you, like, I started working from 1985, very early age. When I was just 23 years old, I started working. So whatever savings I had, whatever money I had, that was all gone. Entire money was gone. In fact, after 2012, I started rebuilding myself. Even it was 2010, I first time bought a house. So that is the time when my journey after her treatment, I started saving, I started taking loans, I bought a house, I bought a car. So this is how my life started, but it was already 25 years I'm working. So all my savings were gone. But yes, it is true that this type of treatments, this type of disease, all parents should be financially strong. They should keep investing. They should keep safety amount, because insurance is not take care of everything.
कितना आपके हिसाब से emergency funds लोगों को रखना चाहिए?
See, at least ये health के लिए तो 20 लाख रुपया आज का डेट में है, because hospitals are costlier than 5-star hotels.
Hospitals are costlier than 5-star hotels.
Because they sell their rooms for 15,000 rupees. ITC, Royal Sonar Bangla or Marriott you'll get for 7,000. They sell their rooms for 15,000. And once you buy that 15,000 room, once you stay in that admitted, your 15x your cost also goes for the doctor visit. You have no control on the doctor. The doctor, 4 doctors may come 4 times in a day, and your doctor visit in your bed, they'll come near your bedside, see what is there, they'll see the chart, they'll do something, they'll go away. You are charged 3,000. 30,000 तो डॉक्टर ले गया एक दिन में आपका फीस, लेकिन कुछ नहीं है उसमें. आपका सलाइन चल रहा है, दवाई चल रहा है, नर्स इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ. सो आपका मेन डॉक्टर जिसका अंडर भर्ती हुआ है, सो दे हैव मेडिकल डॉक्टर्स, लॉट ऑफ पीपल कमिंग इन, गोइंग आउट, सो द हॉस्पिटल्स हैव अ मैकेनिज्म टू बिल यू. सो बी प्रिपेयर्ड, बिकॉज मेनी टाइम्स इंश्योरेंस का पैसा भी लास्ट नहीं करता है,
नहीं लास्ट करेगा,
नहीं लास्ट करता है ये सब बड़ा ट्रीटमेंट में. सो बी केयरफुल, ऑल पेरेंट्स, ऑल एवरीवन, एवरी इंडिविजुअल हु इज अर्निंग अ गुड चंक ऑफ मनी, प्लीज सी दैट अदर देन इंश्योरेंस आल्सो कीप सेविंग.
इमरजेंसी फंड we recommend कम से कम 6 months of expenses, minimum 3, ideally 6 months of expenses आपको रखना ही चाहिए. And like sir बोलते हैं 20 लाख रुपया कम से कम होना चाहिए, because बहुत सारे out of pocket expenses. Sir, needs and wants, आपको कुछ हेल्प करना चाहेंगे हम लोग को समझने में कि रुपया सेव करते हैं लोग नीड्स के लिए, एंड कुछ वांट होता है. नीड और वांट अलग अलग होता है, रोजमर्रे की चीज और जो डिजायर वाली चीज है.
देखिए, वांट जो है इसका कोई लिमिट नहीं है, नीड का लिमिट है. आपको नीड का लिमिट है, आप एक साबुन लेके नहाएंगे, वो 2 घंटा से साबुन नहीं मल सकते हैं, आपका स्किन उतर जाएगा.
हाँ,
तो वो नीड है. हाँ, आपको नहाने का टाइम आपको साबुन चाहिए, राइट? अब ओवर ईट नहीं कर सकता, आप तबियत खराब हो जाएगा, दैट इज नीड. लेकिन वांट जो है क्या है कि मारुति 800 में आप चौरंगी टू एयरपोर्ट पहुंच सकते हैं, और XUV 700 में या तो फॉर्च्यूनर में भी आप वही एयरपोर्ट पहुंच सकते हैं, थोड़ा 2 मिनट आगे पीछे. वो वांट होगी, आपका वांट है कि आपको फॉर्च्यूनर चाहिए, लेकिन आप मारुति 800 में भी वो सफर कर सकते हैं. आप कैसे हैप्पी हैं, ये बहुत बड़ा चीज। कि आप गाड़ी में भी, उस गाड़ी में भी रूप तेरा मस्ताना सुनते सुनते जा सकते हैं और वो बड़ा गाड़ी में भी सुनते हुए जा सकते हैं।
आपकी क्या सोच है, रूप तेरा मस्ताना, हैप्पी कैसे रहें जब नीड्स को भी मिल रहे हैं, वांट्स नहीं ले रहे हैं, या wants
देखिए,
पे focus
जब
करना
आपके पास वांट आ जाएगा आप हैप्पी नहीं रहेंगे। बिकॉज वांट आपको एक के बाद एक आपको वो करते रहे, फंसाते रहेगा, आपको लाइफ में फंसाते रहेगा कि ये मिल गया तो वो मिलना चाहिए, वो मिल गया तो वो मिलना चाहिए। तो वो आपको हैप्पीनेस से आउट कर देगा, आपका हैप्पीनेस को लिमिट कर देगा। और यहाँ पर अनलिमिटेड हैप्पीनेस होता है जब अपना वांट को कंट्रोल कर लेंगे। अपना वांट को जो है आप अगर अपने कंट्रोल में ला लेंगे तो आप हो सकता है कि आप हैप्पी हर टाइम रहेंगे, एवरी टाइम रहेंगे। क्योंकि घर में अगर दाल चावल भी खा रहे हैं तो उससे हैप्पी रहेंगे, और एक छोटा सा गाड़ी में भी घूम रहे हैं उसमें हैप्पी रहेंगे। और एक चीज है कि आप सोसाइटी को अगर कुछ सर्व कर रहे हैं, ये बहुत बड़ा चीज है। बिकॉज एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड नीड्स टू पार्टिसिपेट इन सर्विंग द सोसाइटी।
एब्सोल्युटली।
Because you are living in the society, you are not out of the society. And if you make the society dangerous, then whatever want, whatever need, nothing will come to you आज का डेट में। So suppose आप समझ लीजिए गाजा स्ट्रिप में अभी है और आपके पास want, need सब कुछ आ रहा है। Are you happy there? Any time आप उड़ जाएंगे। तो ये जो चीज है कि आप उस जोन को सोचिए, क्या उस जगह पे जो बच्चे हैं, फैमिलीज हैं, उनका क्या हालत है और आप कलकत्ता में क्या है। तो आप ये सब सोच के आपको आगे बढ़ना चाहिए लाइफ में कि कहाँ तक हम रेस्ट्रिक्ट कर सकते हैं अपने को, अपना वांट्स को। नीड्स को कोई जरूरत नहीं, नीड्स आपका बॉडी खुद आपको बोल देगा, आपका एनवायरनमेंट आपको नीड बोल देगा।
आप बोल रहे हैं नीड्स करना ही पड़ेगा, वांट्स पे कहीं जगह ब्रेक डाल के हमें दुनिया को सर्व करना, सोसाइटी को सर्व करना बहुत जरूरी है।
एब्सोल्युटली। क्योंकि मैं आज देखिए, तरुणिका इज अचीविंग इन हर लाइफ इन स्पोर्ट्स। आई हैव स्टार्टेड सपोर्टिंग पैरा एथलीट्स ऑल्सो. Because of her, she's got me into sports, and today I have been also the chief de mission of Khelo India for Bengal athletes to Delhi.
Superb.
Sai has chosen me once last year 2025, and I have been contributing always to this para support. Children's का jersey नहीं है, every year I am giving them jersey from my side. I am paying for their jersey. I am paying for many things else. But I don't want to speak about them. But this is the basic thing, you know. एक state को represent करेगा. So state government क्या है, para को और अभी तक सोचा नहीं है. Because state government is thinking about the mainstream athletes. मेन स्ट्रीम एथलीट्स के बारे में सोच रहा है कि हाउ दे अचीव, हाउ दे ब्रिंग स्टार्स, बट पैरा के लिए दे थिंक दैट कुछ नहीं है। लेकिन यस, आफ्टर दिस पेरिस ओलंपिक्स जब पैरा में इतना मेडल्स आए,
हाँ,
तो नाउ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज वोकन अप, एंड मोदी जी ने बहुत सारा चीज लाया जो कि पैरा के लिए, खेलो इंडिया लाया, पैरा ओलंपिक्स में बहुत ज्यादा फंड आया। अभी पैरा एथलीट्स आर डूइंग मच बेटर देन नॉर्मल एथलीट्स।
आई रिमेम्बर सर, आपने मुझे बताया था कि जब फर्स्ट टाइम आप इसके स्विमिंग कोच ने आपको बोला कि पैरा गेम्स हो रहा है, एंड उससे संकोच हो रहा था कि कैसे बोले,
करेक्ट,
तो वो मन में झिझक था। वैसे ही झिझक और भी लोगों को होता है जिनके स्पेशल चाइल्ड होते हैं।
हाँ, मेरा बच्चा ट्रेडमार्क्ड हो जाएगा, मेरा बच्चा ब्रांडेड हो जाएगा, पैरा है।
हाँ,
हमको इसका डिफिकल्टीज को छुपाना है,
हाँ,
हमको इसको छुपाना है। दिस इज अ टोटली अ रॉन्ग नोशन। दिस इज यू आर टेकिंग टू अ रॉन्ग वे। बिकॉज क्या हो रहा है कि स्पेशली एबल्ड चिल्ड्रेन को मेन स्ट्रीम में लाना हम सोसाइटी का बहुत जरूरी है। बिकॉज दे हैव नॉट कम बाय देयर चॉइस, दे हैव कम बाय नेचर्स चॉइस।
ऊपर वाले का चॉइस,
ऊपर वाले का चॉइस है। दे हैव नॉट कम, वो नहीं बोला है कि मेरा एक आंख के बिना मेरे को बर्थ दो, उसका 2 आंख है, मेरे क्यों एक। उसने चॉइस में कुछ रीसेट किया है बिफोर बर्थ, तो वो हो गया उसके साथ। तो उसको आप क्यों छिपाएंगे, उससे उसको आगे बढ़ाएंगे। वो उसका एक आंख दिखेगा 4 आंख जैसा, ही शुड उसका उस आंख को स्ट्रॉन्ग करो। और ये देखिए बात है कि एनिमल्स में गॉड हैज गिवन देम सो मच पावर, स्मेलिंग पावर, विजन पावर। एक ईगल देखिए स्काई पे उड़ता है, कितना 1000 फीट के ऊपर नीचे डाइव मार के अपना खाना पकड़ लेता है।
हाँ,
ये आदमी के पास पावर नहीं है। हम AI यूज कर रहे हैं, बाइनोकुलर यूज कर रहे हैं, वो यूज कर रहे हैं, हम तो गधे हैं। वी आर इन दिस रेस, वी आर नॉट सुपर ह्यूमन बींग्स, वी आर नॉट सुपर, एनिमल्स आर सुपर। दे डोंट हैव एलोपैथिक डॉक्टर्स, दे डोंट हैव सर्जन्स टू ट्रीट देम, बट दे रिपेयर themselves. They are in the forest, how they treat themselves, they get sick also. They are with the nature, how they survive. They are more powerful than us, they can chase us, we cannot run. So they are more stronger than us, and we human beings feel that we are the most powerful person. हमको भगवान ने दो हाथ, 2 पैर, 2 आंख दे दिया, हम बड़ा मस्त हो गए, हम तो अमिताभ बच्चन बन गए। और क्या लाइफ, दैट इज नॉट द ट्रूथ। आप कमजोर हैं, इस धरती पे आप कमजोर हैं। आपसे ताकतवर ज्यादा है जो एनिमल्स हैं, वो आपसे ताकतवर है, और वो सेंस कर लेते हैं आपसे पहले कि साइक्लोन आ रहा है, अर्थक्वेक आ रहा है।
करेक्ट, एकदम करेक्ट।
उनको पहले सेंस होता है। एक क्रो भी जो उड़ रहा है उसको सेंस हो जाता है क्या आ रहा है, उसको संकेत हो जाता है। लेकिन हमें संकेत नहीं होता है, हम गधे की तरह बिल्डिंग का दलदल में फंस जाते हैं। मर जाते हैं, अर्थक्वेक होता है हम मर जाते हैं। वी आर हेल्पलेस पीपल एक्चुअली।
आपके हिसाब से हमें संकोच नहीं करना चाहिए और हमें छुपाना नहीं चाहिए, एज अ सोसाइटी हमें आगे लेके आना चाहिए।
आगे आना चाहिए, वो बच्चा को आगे लेके आना चाहिए, उसको ट्रेन करना चाहिए, उसको बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट कोचिंग देना चाहिए। और आई विल टेल कि जो कोचेस है
हाँ।
उनको सेंसिटिव होना चाहिए। दे ऑलवेज वांट टू गेट चैंपियंस।
हाँ, सबको चैंपियन चाहिए, सबको चैंपियन।
सब कोच को चाहिए चैंपियन, और वो सब चाहते हैं कि नॉर्मल बच्चा को हम कोच करेंगे। प्यारा बच्चा को क्या कोच करेंगे? अरे ये कुछ नहीं होगा। इस प्यारा बच्चा के पीछे टाइम देना पड़ेगा, ज्यादा डबल खटना पड़ेगा। ये तो जो चीज नॉर्मल बच्चा 1 महीना में ट्रेन होकर उठ जाएगा, ये 3 महीना ले लेगा। सो दे डोंट वेस्ट द टाइम। सो ये जो एक थिंकिंग गवर्नमेंट को, सोसाइटी को लाना पड़ेगा। जो एक्स स्पोर्ट्समैन है, जिसने लाइफ में अचीव किया है, उनको आगे आना चाहिए और ये प्यारा बच्चों को ज्यादा कोच कर। बिकॉज एक तो होता है कि प्यारा बच्चों का पेरेंट्स के पास पैसा नहीं होता है, दे हैव लॉस्ट एवरीथिंग टेकिंग केयर ऑफ देयर चिल्ड्रन।
यस।
और इनके पास फ्यूचर भी ज्यादा नहीं है।
Yes.
नॉर्मल बच्चे के पास बहुत कुछ है।
Yes.
दे कैन टैकल देमसेल्फ, दे कैन डू एवरीथिंग। तो इनके लिए आई थिंक द सोसाइटी शुड कम अप, इनको सपोर्ट देना चाहिए। बिकॉज ये जब हो जाएगा तो फिर कोई भी बच्चा कुछ डिफिशियंसी लेके पैदा भी होगा तो घर में कोई फैमिली में दुख नहीं रहेगा, किसी फैमिली में दुख नहीं रहेगा, शंका नहीं रहेगा कि मैं इसका क्या होगा, क्योंकि वो सोचेगा कि सोसाइटी में तो यही सही है, यही चल रहा है, यही ठीक होगा।
बोलते हैं सोसाइटी की कैसे मेजर किया जाता है, नॉट हाउ दे ट्रीट द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट बट हाउ दे ट्रीट द वीक वन।
Yes.
कैसे वीक लोगों को ट्रीट किया जाता है, वैसे समझ में आता है सोसाइटी कितनी अच्छी है या कितनी खराब।
एक सभ्यता ऐसे ही बढ़ती है।
सभ्यता से
एक कंट्री में आप जाएंगे, यू विल नॉट सी बेगर, यू विल नॉट सी पीपल, यू विल सी एवरीवन इज वर्किंग, एवरीवन इज बिजी रनिंग। तो वो कंट्री तो ग्रो करेगा ही, वो करेगा ही। बिकॉज आगे जमाने में ऐसा ही था कि आप अपाइज है, भीख मांग लो, पैसा वाला घर का है, व्हील चेयर में बैठा दो, उसके पीछे एक नौकर लगा दो, उसको टेक केयर करेगा। लेकिन ये जमाना गया, अभी दैट पर्सन डजंट नीड द व्हील चेयर। उसको सिखाओ कि वो एक फैक्ट्री खोल के कैसे व्हील चेयर बनाएगा और सबके लिए व्हील चेयर देगा, जो कि मोटराइज्ड व्हील चेयर होगा और जो उसको कोई सपोर्ट नहीं चाहिए, वो व्हील चेयर विल वर्क एज ए रोबोट और उसको उसका जो डिफिशियंसी है उसको आप अपग्रेड करेगा।
एकदम। आपने अभी एक चीज बताया, अच्छा चीज बताया कि इट इज एन अनफॉर्चुनेट थिंग दैट पेरेंट्स ऑफ स्पेशल नीड चाइल्ड, जो पैरा चाइल्ड्स है, उनके फाइनेंशियली खत्म हो जाती। क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे आप और पेरेंट्स को जिनके स्पेशल नीड चाइल्ड है या पैरा एथलीट चाइल्ड है, उनको कैसे हमें रेस करना चाहिए, उनके पैसे मैनेज करना चाहिए?
देखिए, पैरा चाइल्ड्स को फर्स्ट तो आपको सेविंग्स एंड फाइनेंशियल गाइडेंस देना चाहिए बहुत ज्यादा। बिकॉज वो घर में भी बैठ के कुछ फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट सीख जाएंगे, मैनेज करेंगे, तो दे आर वेरी डेडिकेटेड पीपल, डिसिप्लिन पीपल। वो फोकस्ड है, सिंगल फोकस, तो वो विद डेडिकेशन कर सकते हैं। जैसे एक पैरा बच्चा अगर जिसको विजन है, जिसका समझ लीजिए कोई बच्चा का 1 पैर नहीं या 2 पैर ही नहीं, उसको शेयर मार्केट सिखाओ ना। अगर स्पोर्ट्स नहीं है तो शेयर मार्केट सिखाओ, वो स्टडी करेगा, वो मैनेजमेंट करेगा, वो आगे बढ़ेगा, वो अपना लाइफ को सिक्योर करेगा और उसके पास वो 4 आदमी रखेगा, उसको सपोर्ट देगा। तो ऐसा पेरेंट्स को सोचना चाहिए कि यू हैव टू मेक देम स्ट्रॉन्गर, यू हैव टू मेक देम चूज क्या साइड में देंगे इसको, किसका कहाँ लाइक है, डिटर्मिनेशन है, कैसे उसको इंप्रूव किया जाए। बिकॉज अब ये जो पैरा बात है, ये पैराग्राफी लाइफ से हट जाएगी।
आई हैव सीन पेरेंट्स जिनके स्पेशल नीड्स चाइल्ड होते हैं, नॉट नेसेसरीली पैरा, उनको अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ स्पेशल प्लानिंग करना पड़ता है सो दैट चलता रहे। आप कोई सजेशन देना चाहेंगे?
सी, आप सेविंग से ज्यादा उनको कुछ अर्निंग्स का ऑप्शन क्रिएट कराओ, एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑप्शन, सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप। उनको जो है कि कुछ ऐसा कुछ सिखाओ, ट्रेन करो, ताकि दे कैन सर्वाइव इन देयर ओन कैपेसिटी।
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं कि उनको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए पैसा लेके जा रहे हैं, बट उससे नहीं होगा।
नहीं, आप एफडी कर दियो, एफडी से खाएगा पिएगा घूमेगा, वन डे मॉर्निंग देखिएगा कि बैंक का कोई स्टाफ ने एफडी को गोल कर दिया, तब वो पैरा बच्चा क्या करेगा? जैसे हुआ आईडीएफसी बैंक में, आपका पैसा निकल गया, कोई क्राइमस्टर जो साइबर क्राइम वाला आपका पैसा लेके चला गया, तो वो बच्चा क्या करेगा? पैरा बच्चा फिर वो पैसा चला गया,
बनाना पड़ेगा बच्चों को।
यस, इंडिपेंडेंट, और उसको सिखाना पड़ेगा, उसको उसका जॉनर में उसको ट्रेनिंग देना पड़ेगा ताकि वो सर्वाइव कर सके ऑल दीज ऑब्स्टिकल्स एंड स्ट्रगल।
एनी हाउ आर यू इन्वेस्टिंग हर मनी?
सी, बेसिकली
ऑल द प्राइज मनी, ऑल दीज।
सी, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट has committed to give prize monies, but yet we have not got. She's lot of prize monies, her pending is there from the West Bengal government, and some sponsors have come up also. They have also sponsored her, and like one has sponsored like Kuchina, Mr. Nomit Bajoria. He has sponsored her in her journey also. He has been a strong pillar, and he is also a self-made man from Kolkata.
Wow.
A brand Kuchina is now a national brand, and Nomit Bajoria ji has supported her also. Out of all the big giants, he has come ahead. So we thank him also. So these are the companies. Many companies will come up, I think so, slowly. Many corporates and the Navratna, extras will come up, they will do. I feel that she should have a balanced fund. For medical insurance, they should have one good amount, and then for her daily living, daily life, they should have. But I want her funds to be put in such a place like a coaching center. If I could make a small coaching center for her, so that after she achieves, maybe after the age of 30, 35, she manages that coaching center, she earns from there, and children learn from there,
Kya
do
baat
coaching.
hai.
So if she is inclined to sports, let she and her brother run this coaching center.
Fantastic.
And so that does good to the society, that does good to sports, and that makes them always happy, which she's passionate.
Fantastic. So outstanding. Today was not about medals. Today was not about sports. Today was about life. Perseverance. आप जीतेंगे जिंदगी से लड़के, सारे तकलीफों से लड़के. Sir and ma'am have raised a child not afraid, who is winning, who is thriving, and who is succeeding. To all our parents over here, चाहे कैसे भी बच्चे हो, खराब हो, अच्छे हो, आप ही के बच्चे हो, भगवान के देन है. हमें भगवान के भरोसा, भगवान का आशीर्वाद समझ के उन्हें आगे लेके जाना चाहिए. एंड सर ने बहुत अच्छी बात बोली, हमें फाइनेंशियल बैकअप करने से बेटर है उन्हें काबिल बनाना, उन्हें केपेबल बनाए ताकि वो जिंदगी में सर्वाइव नहीं थ्राइव कर सके. Today's Mohit's mantra is all about this. Survive, no. Thrive in spite of everything in life. Thank you.